one-day alert public meeting on the possible settlement of Naga Peace Accord is underway at Lamyan Basanglen Palace Compound, Imphal, which is organized by United Committee Manipur UCM. I-20 households were given cooking LPG connections under the scheme of Ujjwala Yojana at Kurkhul of Sekmai constituency. The LPG connections were provided by MS Haikam Indian Service Kurkhul of Sekmai. Speaking at the event, MLA of Sekmai constituency Haikam Dingo said that to make a pollution-free environment and a healthy life, it is necessary to use LPG gas. In connection with the 69th birthday celebration of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a one-day blood donation cum free health camp was simultaneously conducted today at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Lamphel and Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences JNIMS Porompat, organized by BJP Tamenglong Unit. A high-intensity remote control IED was detected at a site about 100 meters away from Patsoi Lamkhai near HBS Brick Field along Imphal Jiri Road this morning. According to reports, a team of police and bomb experts rushed to the spot on getting the information. They retrieved the bomb, which was later defused at Sangaithal. President of BJP Jiribam Mandal P. Rakeshwar Singh passed away yesterday from an illness. In this regard, Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur, K. Sarath Kumar Singh condoled the demise of Rakeshwar Singh. A one-day awareness program on welfare scheme certificates for disabled people were held yesterday at the Wangu Naudakhong Community Hall. The event was organized by Society for Disabled Persons. In this regard, Kumbi constituency MLA S. Bira urged the masses on providing correct information while applying for disabled certificates and other welfare schemes for the government. Reiterating its commitment to enhance employment opportunities in the operational areas, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONG requested the agitating groups not to resort to propose 48-hour ONGC ban from Thursday. ONGC also appealed to the people and contractor unions to cooperate and withdraw the proposed ONGC ban to ensure uninterrupted supply of oil and gas for the nation's growth. The ONGC has been operating in Assam for the last 60 years. A US-based top advocacy group has said India has become a leader in the global fight against a youth e-cigarette epidemic by taking a historic decision to ban such nicotine and tobacco products. The government have banned production, import and sale of e-cigarettes and similar products, citing health risks to people, especially youth. An ordinance will be brought in to make it an offence, entailing jail term of up to 3 years as well as fine.